Hello everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to be showing you how to open and set up your Coinomi wallet. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to set up and start up with Coinomi, the first thing to do is to get the application downloaded on your mobile device. Go and open up your Play Store or your App Store and download Coinomi application. Once the application has been downloaded, tap Open Coinomi app. The first interface of Coinomi wallet will look like this. If you want to create a new wallet and start up with Coinomi, tap on Create a New Wallet button from the main homepage. Select your password's security by dragging the slider at the top, and if you want to put it to most secure, drag it towards the most secure option. If you choose most secure, then you'll be able to add a password plus biometric authentication for your Coinomi wallet. Type in your password you'd want to set in the password text box. Retype in your password one more time in the next field and tap on the arrow at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, on the next page, add some coins on your wallet by choosing the coins from the options that you would want to add, and once you make your selection, tap the plus button at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to add some coins on your wallet. Now, the next step is to back up your wallet. Tap on Tap to Start button at the top right where it says Wallet Not Backed Up, and now you'll need to back up your wallet recovery phrases. In order to reveal your phrases, you'll need to type in your password for your wallet, type in the same password that you created while signing up, and tap on Unlock to reveal your recovery phrases. Soon after you do that, your recovery phrases for your Coinomi wallet will be displayed on the screen. Remember that your recovery phrases will help you recover your wallet, so if you ever lose your recovery phrases, your wallet cannot be recovered and you might also lose your fund. So make sure to keep this recovery phrases safe where no one will be able to access to them. Write down your recovery phrases in a piece of paper, and once you are done, tap on I have safely stored my recovery phrases offline circle at the bottom, and now tap on arrow at the bottom right. Confirm your recovery phrases by selecting the words below in the same order as you backed up. Once you are done selecting your recovery phrases in the correct order, tap the arrow at the bottom right in blue again. Now, in order to start up with your wallet, you'll need to change your password one more time. Go ahead and type in your password. You can type the same password that you recently created or type in the new one for your wallet. Reconfirm the password by typing it again in the next field and tap the arrow facing towards the bottom right. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to create a new wallet for Coinomi. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.